Hi Summits, let's make our flat round collar. So first off, we're going to measure around this, but before then, place the two ends together and shaping out any excesses that you might have around there, like so. Afterwards, pin the shoulder sides together and then notch the center back, then pin it as well. This is just to stabilize the neckline. So now pick your collar stay and then mark a margin line there. Place the center back after measuring round, just so you know what you should be expecting. Here I have about 8.25. So at the folded end there, please ensure that the collar stays in folds. Now place it in such a way that it would go round but not too straight and not too curved. So now you're going to measure that round. You form an L shape kind of thing. So now you're going to measure again, just so you are sure that your previous measurement is right. So now go up by 1 inch or 1.5 inch as you deem fit. Here I'm using 1 inch as the height of my collar. Then now you are going to cross that part to the end of the baseline there. So to shapen the front, go in by half of an inch from the neck base and then connect it such that you have a shaping collar there. So now you cut it out and this is what we have, right? You can see how shaped it is. So now you want to place it on a piece of fabric, iron it, and then put out 1/4 of an inch or half of an inch, because that part we are going to be cutting it like so. And then at the top part of the collar, just cut out enough because we'll be seaming that place. So now you want to iron flat all the excesses that we have there, then place it on another piece of fabric and cut out what you have. As you can see, the folded end you are going to be cutting out half of an inch as well, because that's where we are going to be joining to the fabric, the dress itself. So now cut this out. So now we're going to go ahead and sew the top part of the collar. So follow the shape that you have cut out from the collar stay and then sew, just like you are seeing me doing here. So keep sewing until you reach the end, top stitch, and then cut off the excesses that you have. But please do not cut so thin because you're going to be top stitching to secure your stitch there. So you're going to top stitch on the main lining fabric of the collar, not the one that has the collar stay, but the one of the other side. So you're going to stop stitch there and then fold it back. As it's going, just like so. Now we have the other side stated. So now you want to reshapen the excess that we have where we'll be joining to the fabric. Please note, if it is too much, it would form gallops around the neckline. So you want to shapen it out to as little as possible, just so you don't have any bulkiness around the neckline when you are joining to the dress itself. So just shaping it out like so, such that you have limited fabric there to reduce the bulge. Now you can see it's coming to life already. This is the shape that we are gunning for. Okay, so now fold it into two and notch the center, because we are going to be joining that to the fabric. So now we're going to join this part as the back side of the fabric, because we want this collar to be facing the front, like we want the finished stitch to be on the front side of the fabric. So you join the front side of the lining of that collar to the back side of the fabric, the dress itself. I hope I make sense with that. So and then you join the center part. You stitch the center part first just to hold it down, then now move to the tip of first angle of the neckline and then join all the way. If you do it this way, it is easier that because you won't have to stretch the fabric too much. So now we're going to be folding and then top stitching to the front side of the fabric like I have explained before. So keep stitching, take your time, arrange the folded edges neatly, do not rush and do not pull your fabric, especially if you are working with a stretchy fabric. Ensure not to pull. Sometimes it is even advisable to put air stay or something on the collar fabric so it gives it more stability in case you are working with a stretchy fabric. So here we have, this is what we have achieved. This is the collar. See how it's sitting beautifully. Please do like, subscribe, share, comment and all the good stuff on this video. So now this is what we have. See how neat, clean it is. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.